G'day guys, we all know Matty here. It's his birthday and I decided to take him out. We're going to have a feed. We're going fishing later. I'm with my brother and myself. We're going fishing after we eat and I can't wait. And yeah, I bought him a present. I'll show you when I go home what I bought him. Bought him a new rod and we're going to test it out today. Look at this food. Wow, so after this we're going fishing. Alright peeps, it is freezing. A little cold. It is like really fucking cold. We are setting off. I will show you the rod that I got my bestie when we get there. But we are on our way. Quickly past Ab's Hook Bait and Tackle, my best friend's tackle shop where I'm working at the moment. I'm not actually working, I'm having a day off, but we're going to go past there and get some bait, and then we're off. It's windy in the city, so we're going to go inland. We have never tried inland, so we're going to go inland and try to catch whatever we can. Hopefully we're successful. Fishing's a bit slow at the moment, but I want to try. I want to try going inland. We're going to go really far inland, Parramatta River. So we'll suss it out and see how we go. All right, we're here. We are here. I've met one of these boys down here. I wasn't going to come down because everyone knows Huntley's Point, so I don't have to keep it secret. It's a packed wharf. A lot of people come here. A lot of people know it. I came down, this gentleman was greeting me. He knows my channel. I was really happy about that. And this man down here knew my channel. So that's just even better. I feel welcome. I feel at home. Tonight is going to be a fucking good night. Hey boys, tonight is going to be a good night. Hopefully we get, so we've got all these fishermen here to get some fish for us to show you guys. So it's not just about me tonight. It's about all of us together and fishing, because that's what it's all about. And yeah, we got the rod set up here, about to put the GoPro on, and let's get a Dewey or some bring. He just got a little squid now. What's your name, mate? Phil. AKA Phil. AKA Phil. He's got a little squid in there. So yes, let's see how we go, eh? Alright guys, I've just set off all the rods. Got that salmon I caught the other day. Squid, pillies. What I'm going to do, got these little pillies, little squid. They're awesome. They're so small, tiny, and I'm going to go for some big bream with them. And I've done this setup here. Where's my rod? Done this setup where I'm using 2 hooks. Putting one through the body. If there is bream in here, and there is bream in here, they won't resist this. Putting that smaller hook through the head, because if you use a bigger hook here, they tend to see it and they get around it somehow. So the smaller it is, the easier it's going to get hooked in. So let's see how this goes. So hook through there, and see how we go, eh? I'm going to cast this one out of everyone's way. I'm going to cast this to the left, see if there's any big bream on this corner here. Is that out of your way, Habibi? Alright, see if there's any big bream in there. You're right, Habib. Put the drag on. See how we go. It's time for Matty, aka Matty, to try his new rod. So that's his new rod. I got it from him today.
Beautiful
Shamaki. Just love the little handle on it. It's like really thin here. You can get these from Hook Bait and Tackle in Punchbowl Road. Sorry, Canterbury Road in Punchbowl. Just go on Google and you'll see where me and Abs, I'm working there and Abs bought the shop and I'm working there so I can come in and grab a deal. So that's Shamaki, and they're really, really, really good rods. Like I could have, you know.
Paired with the Sedona 8000.
Yep. That's it. And they're good Joey rods, good Kingy rods, and all-rounder. Ooh.
Ooh. What do we got?
Oh, he's just hanging on. Oh, squiddy. Just hanging on. Oh.
Another squid.
Oh. Let's get another one.
Lovely creatures.
Huh? Cool.
Chuck him on.
Huh?
Chuck him on.
If the tree wants to swallow him, he will. Let's get a 1 metre, eh? Tide's right for it.
Wind's gone at least.
Alright.
The wind's gone at least.
Yeah. So we can told you that fresh squid will do the job. I don't know what it is. It could be a bream. Pretty light. Oh, it's a flatty. Just a flatty. It wasn't.
Decent flatty though.
Wasn't a fucking Jew, but still could have been on there for a while.
Just seen him running.
Huh?
I've just seen him running.
Yeah. Not huge, but still good edible
50,
size.
maybe 60.
Oh well. Alright, got this little, I wouldn't say little, but these things, oh, they're so rough. I didn't want to come out here tonight and I get nothing to show you guys. At least I got a squid, and the other guy got a squid too, and some bream. Stop moving, mate. Oh, it's so rough. Oh, jeez.
Get him?
Yep. That's a nice
Back up a bit.
little study. So at least we can put this up. So it's been a real quiet night, but we're still here. Hopefully something else can happen. I'm going to let this guy go. He's gone.
Bye.
Now I'm going to put the other squid on. See how we go. We just caught that squid now, so I really want my mate to get a nice fish tonight. We've been here all night freezing our ass off, so what are we doing here, champ? Put one
through the top of the hood.
Yeah, perfect.
This one.
Go somewhere
further down.
Yeah.
Try not to stab myself.
Yep, there we go. Send him out, my brother. God willing, we get a nice drilly. What do you got on this little rod? Whoa! Look at it, look at the bend on it. Wow! These little rods, eh? They've got really long lines, so oh, be careful. It's all starting to happen now.
Like it's the smallest skin.
Oh! These the rods are so thin. You don't understand. You can't even see the bend on this rod. It just bends crazy. Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
Oh, oh, oh. Wish I was fucking getting this. Doesn't matter. I want you to have some fun. Come on, bro. It's a big bream. I might not be big because... Oh. Let it run if it has to. Don't let it snap, y'all.
It's got room to run.
Huh?
It's got room to run.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's the biggest fight.
It'll
It'll be the smallest fish.
Yeah, because the rod's so... Don't let it go under there. You shouldn't. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. That would have been so much fun on that light gear, bro.
It feels so massive.
Yeah, because it's light gear. The gear is so light. Fuck yeah.
You're gonna have to go down there.
Just the brim. But I'm really light gear. Big brim, yeah.
Go down there.
No, I should be able to lift it.
No, you snap it. It'll snap. It'll snap.
No, you had to come in.
Oh, that's a big brim, bro. That's a big brim. The fish are coming out to play.
Look what I...
Oh, what a brim on light gear. Wow.
That put up the biggest fight.
You reckon? It looks so small in the photo, bro. It's a big brim butt.
I reckon that'll be 30.
Way bigger. That's a stonker. Wow. That was a mad fight, eh?
Yeah.
put it here and they'll fix up the line. I want you to hold it up for the camera. Hold it up for the camera. Look at this donker. This photo doesn't do justice. It really doesn't. On this light rod, it's so light. You see the rod is bending. Gives a peek.
Really nice bream, huh?
Good old Matty. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this donker. On that real 2-pound line. Couldn't even lift it out of the water because we're afraid it was going to snap.
Oh, that height it would have snapped.
The smile on my boy's face, eh? Wow.
Bream are annoying,
Look
but
at
they're so much
that.
fun to catch.
What a beautiful specimen. Look at that mouth, blue mouth. Big gobs.
Swallowed the whole thing.
Yeah. Look at him. Far out. He's like fucking... Bro, I'm going to measure this motherfucker. He's about 45 centimeters, bro. He's not 30. He's not 30, bro. He is not 30 at all. Let's measure him. Let's have a measure. Measuring tape somewhere. I think it's in the... I've got this new measuring tape. It's like this little circle. It's somewhere. Probably in here. It's a new one. It's like this little... I've got to measure it there. There's one on here. But... Right here. Just use that. He might be 39, but he's like... Oh, 40...
No, he's
45.
38.
No.
No, it's 38.
Is it? You sure?
Yeah. There's 40 there, so he's
yeah.
38.
Still a solid bream.
Big boy.
Wow. Good on you, bro. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Let's release this puppy. Hang on, G.
Yeah, you're going back home.
See you later, buddy.
Straight underneath.
I felt a little tuggy. It's going to be my bait now. Oh yeah! It's going to go out, see if we can get a Jew on it. So when you get these this size, it's good to just chuck them out whole. Make sure he doesn't go in the water. That's what I was getting.
Another one, because we didn't get the bites for that.
Yeah, that's one. What the? What's that? Oh, it's around your one somehow. Can't be, but that yakka has found its way around my rod. That's what they fucking do.
I can feel it.
What's that?
My yakka.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, you're going to have to cast that again. Sorry, GG.
It's my yakka.
That little fucking... Now, get rid of the old. and put this squiddy on. Not too far in, like that, so it can't come off. Let's get this out and pray that we get a Jew. Please, God,
Bring us a big one.
give us a Jew. I will do there, doesn't matter. Let it sink to the bottom. The running system on. Nice bream. What'd you get? Oh yeah. At least we're getting something. What are you using? Chicken, eh?
I just tried a yakka fillet.
Oh yeah, that's yakka fillets are the best. Yo, those would be pretty good. Alright, just burl it up. It's got one yakka now. Everyone's been trying to get yakkas all night, and then burley is the key. See, as soon as you burley up, the yakka's thrown. Hey? Yeah, come down. They're here, because I burleyed up hard. I used about 3 pillies and mushed them up to mush. Yeah, that's what you do. Like, come down here, bro, come down here. They're right here on this corner. So, we're trying to get these yakkas because, you know, we want to catch them. I want to fillet them for bream and Jews, so. Don't go too far down, but usually you do go too far down, but just go down about 3 feet.
That's true. 100%.
Don't tell me there's only just 2 down there. If they don't bite straight away, put it down a bit deeper.
Body trap.
Something. Yeah, I know. There's no one owned it. Someone must have left it.
I think if I leave it overnight, I'll catch some more.
Wow.
Ox fishing, brother.
Yeah.
Hey, don't squid on my bag, man.
Yeah, that's
Come
a
on,
nice
man.
one. Why are you just trying his bag, Squiddy? Good stuff, brother.
Yeah, you want a broom?
No, you have it, brother. I got one. Oh, maybe.
We got a squid jig.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a...
Oh yeah, boy.
Thanks, you can't. Oh, oh shit, you're right. You're right.
I knew it.
Fuck, I'm so sorry, bro.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yuck.
You're right, brother.
Yeah, all good.
Sorry. Oh, hey, wait, come on. See what brothers do for each
Yeah,
other?
right.
Look, he got squirted. What a legend.
Anytime I got squirted.
Hey. It's sometimes fun to get squirted.
Yeah.
Depends what kind of squirt,
Yeah.
but. Beautiful.
Nice.
Put in the effort to get squirted usually.
Yeah, go hard, brothers. Go hard. Thank you, my man.
No worries, man.
Thank you. Put him in the live well, I think. Keep him fresh for a bit.
How's it feel to get squirted on tape?
I don't know if it's a snag. Yeah, it's a snag. Spewing. Oh, it was like I think it was like a crab. Yeah, it was a crab.